The much-anticipated web series Tandav starring Saif Ali Khan, Dimple Kapadia, Sunil Grover has received a mixed response from the audience. The script leaves the audience lagging behind as it fails to highlight the burning issues of the country. On the other side, Kajol's Tribanga has received a positive response from the audience. Actress Kangana Ranaut, who is known for her bold statements, this time hit out at film critic Rajiv Masand and called him KJO's minion. She claimed that Rajiv wrote the most poisonous blind items about Sushant and her. She took to Twitter to express her anger and said Rajiv openly licked mediocre star kids and gave negative reviews to genuinely good films. Even as a journalist, he was always Karan Johar's minion. Good he left Journo Fasad and joined KJO officially. Rajiv quit journalism and joined Dharma Cornerstone Agency as COO. Bollywood hottie Siddharth Malhotra turned 36 on the 16th of January. Wishes poured in for Siddharth. Many fans and industry colleagues wish Siddharth on his special day. Stars like Manoj Bajpayee, Rakul Preet wished Siddharth. Manoj took to Twitter and wrote, "Oh Mr. Sid Malhotra, a very happy birthday, Dilida Munda. Keep shining my friend." While Rakul Preet shared a throwback picture of Siddharth and said, Happy birthday Sid boy, have a happy healthy fit year." Music magician A.R. Rahman is all set to return to Hollywood after a long break. In an interview with Variety, Oscar-winning composer said one aspect as to why he was in India was because of his mother, who died in December 2020. Talking about his Hollywood projects, he said, "I'm working on certain things, but it doesn't need me there, and I can do it from here." Bollywood actress Richa Chadha recently shared the poster of her upcoming movie Madam Chief Minister. Richa was seen holding a broom and this did not go well with the audience. Richa plays the role of a politician who works for the Dalit community. She received the brunt for allegedly stereotyping the Dalit community. The actress later apologized for the same. Actress Rajkumar Rao has never shied away from expressing his love for Shah Rukh Khan on many occasions. In an interview with ET Times, Rajkumar revealed that he's an actor because of Shah Rukh Khan. He said, "Shah Rukh Khan taught me that if you have a dream and if you're ready to work hard, the dream will come true." Entertainment is sure to follow wherever Rakhi Sawant goes. People have remained glued to their televisions ever since Rakhi decided to make a comeback on Bigg Boss 14. In the latest episode, Rakhi Sawant was seen expressing her love for Abhinav before the Bigg Boss. She went on to the extent of saying she would write Abhinav's name on her hand with a knife. She was pulled up by Bigg Boss for setting wrong example before the public. Hollywood superstar and Schindler's List fame Liam Neeson, in an interview with Entertainment Tonight, said he wishes to retire from action films. The 68-year-old actor said, "I'm 68 and a half, 69 this year. There is a couple more action films I'm going to do this year, hopefully COVID allowing us. There's a couple in the pipeline and then I think that will probably be it. Well, unless I am on a Zimmer frame or something." Tom Cruise, who recently hit the headlines for pulling up the crew for not following COVID-19 appropriate behavior, has managed to grab the attention once again. The 58-year-old actor has now spent a huge amount of money on robots to ensure people on the sets follow all the safety protocols.